I literally did the grunt work from the very bottom all the way to the top. I mean, I'm not some CEO who just bought into a company that was already built and established. I mean, we literally built this company from the ground up.
Let's go!
I started in this industry in 1998, fresh out of high school. Worked at a pizza parlor, and then I had a buddy that worked at a pill factory, they called it. It was paying better, so I quit the pizza job I had, and I went and started commuting to Valencia and started working in this pill factory. And I started mopping floors, and graduated to encapsulation and tablet compression, and then 13 years go by. I'm now the VP of operations. I ended up exiting in 2013 and did my own consulting firm for a little bit, and that's actually where I met Donald. We partnered up on a bunch of projects together and just hit the ground running and just traveled everywhere. And then I ended up taking a full-time position at Robinson Pharma. So I just kind of learned everything that I did over those years and just wanted to implement different ways of doing business. So I said, I'm gonna go ahead and start my own company. We had 10 people here when we first started in 2015. We all busted our butts. We wore multiple hats. We're down there mixing by hand, filling by hand, labeling. But little by little, we expanded. It's amazing because here we are now in 2023. We have 250 plus employees, 4 facilities here in Valencia, and a Simpson Labs Innovation Center out in Carlsbad. I wake up every day fully humbled, fully energetic. I walk into our facility and I'm just so proud and thankful of everything that us and the entire team has built here. So.
That's the other great part about Simpson Labs is, we're not some company that is owned by some overseas conglomerate or something of that nature. We're a mom and pop, startup company that Eric started himself. He was literally the guy that went into the facility with me, and he was holding court, telling everybody else what to do. And they were all learning from him. There's so many intricacies that go into manufacturing that you only can learn through experience. For me, it's how many lives can we change for the better through health and wellness. Because when you look at the brands that we make and you look at the reach that they have, it's billions of people's lives that we're changing for the better through health and wellness, whether they want to gain more weight, whether they have problems with diabetes, whatever it is. We cover the whole gamut of products. That's what makes us win, is innovation, customer service.
We put everything back into the business. We put it into the staff, we put it into their raises, their 401ks, sick time, vacation time. We put it into the facilities, anything we can do to make the business better, more efficient, more comfortable for our staff. We hardly ever say no. If an employee comes to us and they need something that's going to make their job better or more comfortable, we'll do it. By having that open door policy, I really think it changes the morale of how this business works here. And you can see it in every single finished product that our consumers see. That quality is right there in that container.